Hi, in this video I will explain how to add or emulate the adding of fields in the Documents tab, and also how to add automatically a set of fields in using certain techniques. So first, the easiest one. If you go to the Documents tab, you notice that it says Documents plus Extra fields, written this way on purpose. So Documents and Extra fields, and so the easiest way to add any type of field that you want, any type of data, is click Add. So you can type the label here. So for example, we can type a mortgage company. I mean that, and you can create that for the one selected, meaning for all 100. Not a good idea, or the one current, which usually is correct. And then you will type the data here, whatever it is, ABC mortgage. Okay, so this is the simple use, and you can add unlimited fields for this particular company, for this particular client, I meant, or contact. So now, imagine, for example, let's say that I add a new record here, or actually, let me do something. Let me put here, okay. I'm gonna put my label 1, and obviously this could be anything, absolutely anything that you want. All right, so I'm gonna put my label just to indicate, so to show you a really special feature. So I have 3 labels, and potentially I can have data here that I want to type. Here, for example, could be maybe a social security, for example. And so you have these labels here. When you add a record, these labels come from the setup and groups and groups fields. So these labels will come up automatically. For example, let me go on a tangent for a second. I'm gonna click Add. Okay, so you see I have these, which are the defaults. So that's fine. I'm gonna delete this one for a second now. And so I have this one. This is the one that we were working on, and I have in the Documents tab, I have this particular field. Let's call it field. Okay, the same way. I'm gonna put a second one just for example, driver's license. So I'm gonna put it here. Notice that I could have used one of these, but sometimes these user-defined fields are, too little for what we need. So because we have 10 here, this one we can have unlimited, and also it's possible to use it in letters, in templates and stuff. This is out of the scope of this video, but it's possible to go to the template manager and learn there with the information icon. It's possible to learn how to use these fields here. Now, one sophisticated feature is this: you can save this setup. So for example, here, if you see the tooltip, it says Shift Control to open the special pop-up. This special pop-up you can use or you can save. So I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna put it my sample labels. That's it. So I'm gonna put that, and it's asking if I want to use the labels or also the data. Usually it's gonna be just the labels. because the data is going to change. But it's, so it's possible to have both labels and content. So labels here, and so it also saved this one, the documents, even though it's not showing it, but it doesn't matter. So now, next time that I'm adding a record manually, adding a record that I want to have this structure, we call it structure maps, I'm gonna click Shift Control, and in this case I'm gonna click Use. Remember, I can have unlimited of these structure maps. So you see, I can select this one is a sample, and this one my sample labels, which is the one that I just created. Then I can replace in selected context, which is possible in some cases, that I want to modify the complete structure of a set. For example, if you buy a list of prospects from a database provider, and then you want to add a bunch of fields in the documents to all of them, you can select that list and replace the structure into that particular list. Or you can replace it in the current context. In this case, it wouldn't do anything because we already have the structure. But yes, so you know that will be possible. Or add a context. Usually that's why it's in the right. It's the most usual. So you see, so now we added a new contact, but it has this full structure: mortgage company, driver's license, ready for you to add data. That way you can add unlimited fields, and then inside this field it's possible to import, for example, a document. It's possible to import a document that you may have, Word document or PDF or any document for that matter. Even a picture will be possible with this button. So it's not only to type something, but it's also to link, so that is possible too. And that's it. This is a very powerful strategy to have what we call structure maps, UDF, user-defined fields, structure maps. Thank you.